Welcome to Better Health and Food Ideas. Eat less sodium. Quick tips. 1. Know your sodium limit. Ask your doctor how much sodium is okay for you. Healthy adults and teens age 14 and older need to limit their sodium intake to no more than 2,300 mg a day. Children under age 14 need no more than 1,500 to 2,200 mg a day of sodium, depending on how old they are. 2. Shop for low-sodium foods. Most of the sodium we eat doesn't come from our salt shakers. Processed meats, poultry, and seafood, like deli meats, sausages, and sardines. Sauces, dressings, and condiments. Instant foods, like flavored rice or noodles. 3. Check the label. Use the nutrition facts label to check the amount of sodium in foods and compare different options. Try to choose products with 5% daily value, DV, or less. A sodium content of 20% DV or more is high. Look for foods labeled, low sodium, reduced sodium, or no salt added. But keep in mind that some low-sodium foods don't have those labels. 4. Make healthy shifts. Swap out foods that are higher in sodium for healthier options. Snack on unsalted nuts instead of salted pretzels or chips. Choose skinless chicken and turkey, lean meats, or seafood instead of deli meats or sausages. Go for vegetables that are fresh, frozen, or canned. Pick frozen vegetables without sauce and canned vegetables with the least amount of sodium. 5. Cook more at home. Making your own meals is a great way to eat less sodium, because you are in control of what goes into your food. If you use canned foods, rinse them before eating or cooking with them. This will wash away some of the salt. Use condiments and spreads that are unsalted or lower in sodium. If you use regular spreads, use less. Don't add salt to the water when you cook pasta or rice. Take the salt shaker off your table. 6. Get less salt when you eat out. Ask if there are any lower sodium dishes on the menu. When you order, ask that salt not be added to your food. 7. Add more potassium to your diet. Replace high-sodium foods with high-potassium foods. Eating foods with potassium can help lower your blood pressure. Good sources of potassium include potatoes, cantaloupe, bananas, beans, milk, and yogurt. Thank you for watching video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.